lung-cleansing drink that anyone who smokes or who has ever smoked needs to try. Smoking is one of the most harmful habits you can have, as it severely damages health and leads to various ailments. More than 16 million Americans suffer from some health problems as a result of smoking, and for every individual killed by this deadly habit, at least 30 people live with a severe smoking-related illness. The cigarette smoke causes serious and irreversible damage to the lungs, so we are firmly advised that you try to give up smoking, as it is never too late. However, there is a completely safe, natural remedy which will help you cleanse the lungs of toxins and reduce the harmful effects of smoking. This beneficial drink contains 3 main ingredients: onion, ginger, and turmeric, which are all rich in healthy ingredients. Onions are rich in powerful antioxidants and cancer-fighting properties. They inhibit the growth of cancer cells. On the other hand, ginger has numerous other healthy properties, including the removal of excess mucus accumulates in the lungs due to smoking. Turmeric is a popular Indian spice with gold color and a wide range of health properties. It has been shown to be useful in the treatment of more than 600 health issues. It is also high in vitamins, minerals, and has potent anti-cancer, antibacterial and antiviral properties. This is how to prepare this healthy beverage. Ingredients: 2½ tablespoons of turmeric, thumb-sized ginger root, 250 grams of onion, 350 grams of natural sweetener, honey, stevia, maple syrup, xylitol, 1 liter of water. The method of preparation: you should add the sweetener to the water and heat it until it boils. Then, chop the onions and ginger and add them to the mixture. Boil once more, add the turmeric and lower the heat to medium. You should heat until you have only half of the previous mixture left. Then, strain, and transfer to a glass container. Leave it to cool to room temperature, and then store it in the fridge. Use: you should take this remedy twice daily, 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 more in the evening, a few hours after the last meal. This drink will be a perfect start for those who would like to quit smoking and is in fact even more beneficial for ex-smokers. You will surely start breathing quickly. If you have a question, please leave us a comment. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. Share this video and subscribe to our channel.